Welcome to Learning of Excel Graphs and Charts 2013. In this particular concept of Excel Graphs and Charts, you will learn like how to prepare graphs and charts in the Excel sheet of 2013. Over here, you will be made understand like how to prepare charts from the basic to till the advanced level of graphs and charts, which will help you to present your data in a more appropriate way. In this particular concept, we will be covering this topics. The first subtopic is Excel chart concept. In this, you will be able to learn like how many types of various charts and graphs are available in the Excel sheet, which will help you to prepare your data in a more appropriate way. Second will be Excel basic charts. In this, you will be learning the basic chart concept of the Excel. Third would be the fine tuning of charts in Excel. In this, you will be learning like how to tune your charts in Excel in order to make it more appropriate and professional way. The fourth would be the changing chart options. In this, you will be learning how to switch your data from the various charts. Like if you have selected the recommended charts from the Excel sheet and you are unsatisfied with that particular graph or charts, so this concept will help you to learn like how to switch your chart from the existing graph or chart which is available with you. The fifth will be the format tab option. There is a format tab option in the Excel sheet of graphs and charts, which will help you to make your chart more appropriate and professional way. We will learn the concept of format tab options. In this sixth concept, you will be learning adjustment of specific chart types, which will help you to learn scatter chart, radar chart, bubble chart, donut charts, and the various types of charts available in the Excel sheet, which will help you to prepare your data. Even the stock chart will help you to prepare the specific type of charts and graphs available with the available data with you. So in this concept, we will learn the various types of charts available in Excel. The seventh would be changing chart sources. In this, you will be learning like how to paste the chart, how to paste the data in the available or in the respective charts or graph available with you, like how to create a chart with the multiple sources. In the multiple sources, you have the data like in the various sheets of Excel. If you have the data, so how to create one particular chart. Even you will be learning about a basic dynamic chart, which will help you to present your data more appropriately. The last is the eighth, specialized charts and graph. And this, you will be learning the specialized and the advanced charts and graphs in 2013, like Gantt chart, Pareto chart, frequency chart, pivot chart, charts with the dynamic charts with checkboxes, advanced level dynamic charts, calculator charts, and the various other dynamic pie charts. The next best concept in the 2013 Excel sheet has came across with the Excel map charts, which will help you to understand like how to prepare a map chart in the Excel sheet. So these all concepts we are going to understand in the learning of Excel charts and graphs 2013.